Hello everyone, UJ here with some truly exciting news for all Pi Network pioneers. Imagine waiting for a surprise party, and suddenly, you find a secret note revealing everything. That's what just happened with Pi Network. A crucial document, the MiCA-compliant white paper, was quietly discovered on Pi's official website. This isn't just paperwork, it's Pi's ticket to the European crypto market. For years we've mined Pi, hoping for real value. Now this document signals that the wait is nearly over. It proves the Pi team has been working hard to meet strict European regulations. MiCA compliance is like getting a driver's license for crypto. Now Pi can enter the public market legally. This gives users and investors real confidence that Pi is ready for the big leagues. The leak of this white paper has electrified the Pi community worldwide. It wasn't announced with fanfare, making it feel like we've uncovered hidden treasure. The document outlines how Pi will be traded, managed, and regulated. It's the first concrete step toward Pi becoming a real, tradable asset. For pioneers, this is the final stretch of a long journey. The finish line is in sight, and Pi is about to become a reality. This is the start of a new chapter for Pi Network. It's a thrilling time to be a pioneer. One of the most powerful features in the new white paper is self-custody. Simply put, you alone control your Pi coins. No middleman, no company holding your assets. It's like having cash in your own wallet. You decide how and when to use it. Your Pi is stored in your personal wallet, protected by your private keys. This is different from many platforms where companies hold your crypto. With Pi, you are your own bank, giving you true freedom and security. The white paper makes it clear. Pi is designed to empower users, not institutions. There are no artificial tricks to control Pi's value. No buybacks, no supply games. The price will be set by the open market, based on real use and demand. This honest approach shows the team's confidence in the community. Your daily mining has earned you real, self-owned assets. You choose when to hold, use, or trade your Pi. This is what decentralized finance is all about, removing the middleman and giving power to the people. Pi is making this vision a reality for millions worldwide. That's something to be proud of. In a world concerned about the environment, Pi Network stands out for its energy efficiency. Unlike Bitcoin, which consumes massive electricity, Pi uses just 0.0024 terawatt-hours per year, over 99.9% less than Bitcoin. You can mine Pi on your phone without worrying about your battery or the planet. This eco-friendly design is a game-changer for crypto. Pi's low energy use makes it accessible to anyone with a smartphone, not just those with powerful computers. The network's sustainability aligns with global goals for a cleaner planet. Governments and users are seeking green solutions, and Pi is already ahead. This thoughtful approach ensures Pi can grow to billions of users without harming the environment. It's a win for both people and the planet. Being energy efficient also attracts new users and investors. The low cost of participation keeps the network open to everyone. Pi is proving that crypto can be both powerful and sustainable. This is a key reason why Pi is built for the long term. Supporting Pi means supporting a greener future. Let's talk about ICOs, initial coin offerings. Many crypto projects raise money by selling coins early, but this can be risky for buyers. Pi Network never had an ICO. Instead, it distributed coins for free to everyone who mined on their phones. This means Pi is owned by millions of everyday people, not just a few early investors. It's a fair, democratic approach that builds trust and community. The value of Pi comes from its users, not from a big fundraising event. The network's strength is its active, engaged community. The Pi team focused on building utility and participation, not quick profits. This long-term vision sets Pi apart from other projects. For users, it means a level playing field. Everyone earned their coins the same way. There's a strong sense of shared purpose and community. Pi's growth without an ICO proves the power of its vision. It's a project built by the people, for the people. That's why so many believe in Pi's future. No ICO means less risk and more trust. Pi is redefining what a fair launch looks like in crypto. The wait is almost over. Now we have official dates for Pi's public trading debut. The MyCA white paper sets November 27, 2025, as the day all documentation goes public. The very next day, November 28, 2025, Pi trading begins in the European Union. This is the transition from a closed network to an open market. The first listing will be on OKCoin Europe Ltd, OKX Europe, a regulated exchange licensed in Malta. Germany, France, and Italy will be the first countries to access trading. This strategy targets some of Europe's largest economies. A public listing on a regulated exchange gives Pi a real-world price set by supply and demand. It connects Pi network to the global financial system. Pioneers will finally see the value of their mined coins. This step will attract new users, developers, and businesses. The journey has been long, but these dates mark the start of something big. Get ready! Pi's open market era is about to begin. The MyCA white paper news sent the market into a frenzy. The price of PI, traded as an IOU, jumped nearly 11% in a week, now hovering around 25 cents. Investors are showing strong confidence in Pi's future. Technical analysts see bullish signals. PI broke above its 50-day EMA, a key resistance level. The RSI is at 62, indicating strong buying momentum. A major outflow of 1.75 million PI tokens from exchanges shows investors are holding, not selling. This accumulation signals belief in higher future prices. The next resistance is at 26 cents. If PI closes above it, the trend could accelerate. The next target? Possibly 32 cents. Of course, markets can pull back, but right now, all signs point up. The community is energized and optimism is high. This positive reaction is a huge boost for Pi's credibility. More people are paying attention to Pi than ever before. The excitement is real, and the momentum is building. The Pi community has every reason to celebrate. The good news keeps coming. Big investors are taking Pi seriously. The Valor Pi exchange-traded product, ETP, launched on a Swedish stock market on August 20, 2025. An ETP lets people invest in Pi through traditional finance without buying the crypto directly. This bridges the gap between crypto and mainstream investors. The ETP is denominated in Swedish krona, making Pi accessible to a wider audience. Institutional products like this add legitimacy and stability to Pi. More institutional investment means more resources and recognition for the network. It's a strong vote of confidence from the financial world. For pioneers, this means a stronger, more stable ecosystem. Pi is evolving from a social experiment to a serious financial asset. The world is starting to take notice. Pi Network isn't just preparing for trading, it's upgrading its technology too. Protocol version 23, a major technical update, is planned before the end of 2025. This upgrade will make the Pi blockchain more secure, efficient, and ready for millions of users. The team is focused on quality, not rushing the launch. Alongside this, a $100 million Pi Network venture fund has been announced. This fund will support developers and businesses building on Pi. It will help create new apps, services, and uses for the Pi coin. The fund also provides liquidity for secondary markets. This investment will fuel innovation and attract global talent. Imagine new games, marketplaces, and social platforms powered by Pi. The team is building a vibrant digital world, not just a coin. This is a major step toward long-term value and utility. So, what does all this mean for you, the loyal pioneer? The years of waiting and mining are about to pay off. Pi is stepping onto the global stage with real value and real opportunities. Self-custody gives you true ownership and freedom. Open market trading means your Pi can be used, traded, or held as you choose. New investment products and the venture fund will bring growth and stability. The protocol upgrade will make the network even stronger. Pi is becoming a major player in the crypto world. The future is about building a new digital economy for everyone. Stay engaged. The best is yet to come.